Okay, what's up guys? Today I'm just unboxing the carbon fiber. It's the gear mechanism underneath the gear and the LED gear shift knob. As you can see, comes with the instructions. Got one of the harnesses here and the gear knob. This is the LED gear knob. As you can see, it's here. And I purchased this from AliExpress. Just got it for under $1,000 here in South Africa. Took about 2 weeks to come through. That will be installed on my BMW E90 335i. As you can see, here is the carbon fiber. It's for my BMW 335i. It's a digital display for the gears, and this whole unit is carbon fiber also. So I'll move over the boot and everything for the gear to put this unit in, and when I am doing the installation I will show the installation. And I purchased this item from BAVMODS and I got it for just under 3,000 rands. So yeah guys, when I'm doing the installation for it, I will show you all. It also comes with a small time instructions here, but it's pretty straightforward to install. So yes, in the next video we will be doing the installation. This is another mod I'm doing on my 335i. As you can see there, to make the car look more current. In fact, it's an old vehicle, so I think this will spruce up the interior a bit. See you all in the next video.